I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both files. Open Excel, name the specific range or table you want linked, and save the workbook. Once done, open your Word document and position the cursor where the data will go. Make sure Excel remains open for initial linking, otherwise dynamic links may break. You're not just copying, you're creating a live reference. This is why naming the range matters. Now move to Word's Insert tab so you can paste the link correctly into the document. In Word, use Paste Special to create the live connection. Copy the named range in Excel, then in Word choose Home, Paste, Paste Special, and select Paste Link. Pick either Microsoft Excel Worksheet object to preserve formulas and formatting, or formatted text for static-looking tables that still update. Once linked, save both files and test by changing a cell in Excel. Word should refresh when you reopen it or manually update links. This step ensures the two files communicate properly. Don't skip testing. To finalize, manage how links update. In Word, go to File, Info, Edit Links to Files. Set automatic or manual updates depending on your workflow. If you want a fixed snapshot, break the link, but remember this removes live updates. Once done, save both documents and verify link behavior across moves by keeping relative paths or using shared network locations. If updates fail, check that Excel file path hasn't changed and that Excel is accessible. If necessary, re-establish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.